All right, let's see.
I keep feeling like Robert Frost. The trail list. Taking. Oh, looks like that. Why I gotta go up? I can't do that. Nah, why?
Oh, these are sturdy. These are sturdy.
I can't walk that.
Sideways.
No,
Like this.
I'm not doing it.
So dramatic. Oh, God.
Anything that could fall and
Boy, had that been a flash flood, it would have taken you out.
they do. Not a hop strong ankles. Flash flood, no flood, still taking it.
You said you need a nap?
Say it was in bad.
Uh,
Coming up. I lied. That wasn't there.
I gotta go by Buggy Busters and pick up my last little thing of stuff. I got like 4 things to pick up today.
I have to go get this in one day.
Yeah, bro, because isn't thing said it was like how many miles? 1.8? We're at 2.14. So what the fuck? What kind of path did we take? What trail did we take? All trails said 1.8. We are at 2.14. What the fuck? I know, I think it was because we went here. We got lost here. And then we went off trail here. And then remember we went, oh, that's what it was. We went way past that.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
We had to backtrack.
Oh, shit. Now, this trail should only take y'all an hour. It's been 6. Don't judge us. Judge yourself.
It's not our fault the trail gets shaky up there. Too many shortcuts. F it loop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why none of this looks familiar?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, no, it loops back to the beginning. Not like loops back, not loops as backwards. See? Look.
Oh, okay.
So it's like,
Oh, we almost up.
mm-hmm. Almost out of the thick of it. I love those leaves. They're so big and beautiful. We're close to some because I hear the fucking highway. I hear them trucks.
Yeah.
This is what I want to hear when we were in Cochran. But there was a fake road on the
No
fucking map.
And I kept thinking, because we kept passing that old general store.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, what if it's country where they cut up back here?
and they
Like,
spit,
supposed to be in the woods.
and they spit hard.
Yeah. What you doing back here, girl?
Not Uncle Ruckus.
Oh, this is private. It says public.
And you little half and half.
Go back to your country. What you talking about? I'm American. You and your wide nose. Go back to Africa.
Oh.
Got me twice, sir. Mr. Sir.
Mr. Spitshine. I guess this is a stream, but it don't seem very streamy because there's no water.
I'm not looking. Oh, I am looking.
Yeah, there's
Pretty nice, though.
there's no active water going on.
That's why there's no waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
We saw it.
Yep. It just fucking rains. So what the fuck?